OnePlus just introduced the Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro smartphones in the Ace series in China. OnePlus Ace 5 Pro come in purple, black, ceramic white, and OnePlus Ace 5 come in black, titanium white, green. OnePlus Ace 5 Pro come in triple rear camera unit, 50MP Sony IMX906 primary camera, 8MP secondary shooter, and a 2MP third sensor, 16MP selfie camera. The OnePlus Ace 5 Pro will feature the self-developed eSports Wi-Fi chip G1, designed to significantly enhance Wi-Fi performance. Ace 5 will be rebranded as the OnePlus 13R in the global markets, and the OnePlus 13 and OnePlus 13R are set to launch globally on January 7th. Ace 5 Pro come in double-sided crystal shield glass, shatter-resistant and scratch-resistant, and an IP65 water and dust resistance. OnePlus Ace 5 Pro coming the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, and OnePlus Ace 5 coming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Both phones offer up to 16GB of RAM. OnePlus Ace 5 and OnePlus Ace 5 Pro are tipped to come with a 6.78-inch BOE X2 display panel with a flat design and 1.5K resolution, with 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and 4,500 nits peak brightness. The OnePlus Ace 5 Pro carry a 6,100 mAh battery with 100W charging support. OnePlus Ace 5 Pro price start 12GB plus 256GB, 3,399 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.